think about when like you meet people in small interactions, you know, are you going to have like a big flyer to give them? Probably not. And it also might seem like a little overkill. What works really well is having what we call them recruiting cards. It's a business card, but it's been branded and designed as a recruiting card. So one side of the card, it can be your referral program, okay? Your employee, or however you want to talk about it, right? Your hiring referral program. So it has the program on it. And maybe you have like a QR on it that goes to a sign up page, or maybe you just have general info like, hey, text this number with a lead and a phone number, like full name, phone number, and email of somebody you think of, and we'll Venmo you, this amount. So you lay out the program. So you have the referral program on one side. On the other side, you give it to people who you may think are, like, let's say you go to a restaurant and you have amazing service from this bartender and you're like, I got to have that person work at my company. You pull out that recruiting card and you have them put their info on the one side. So you get one, you keep one card, and then you give them another card and put your info on it. Okay? So there's like a 2-card exchange. So remember, one side is the referral program, and you could give that to anyone, whether it's a referral partner, an existing employee, or a random Joe Blow person, right? Be like, I don't care who it is. I'll give you $100 or I'll give you X amount if you bring me good people and we hire them. But the other side of the recruiting card is for when you meet those people in the community as you're living life and you find people you're like, man, you would be really cool. So pro tip there.